Alrighty, well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Module 2 with the Unpythonic Analyzer. Quick walkthrough, sample text here, just quick and simple. Could have uploaded an entire book, but that seems like a lot. Unpythonic Analyzer, full of bad practices. Here we are. Our finalized text analyzer with references and explanations for each code. We'll run this real quick. Alrighty, here we can see exact total number of words is 24. Unique word count is 18. Most frequent words are sandwiches. I really enjoy our long words, more than 3 characters inside the sample text are 17. And again, we can stoke that up or bring it down to 2 words, in which case we wouldn't return the full 5 unique and frequent words, but we'll keep it. Within the code, one of the first things I did was change the counting process into an imported counter for ease of access. And mostly just because manual counting of where the actual count is using a dictionary like this can be very error prone and inefficient, especially when compiling large dictionaries and samples. So just to kind of get that right out of the way, one of the second things I did is change how the file was open and closed using a with code instead of the simple open, just because that is very bad practice, especially since you have to manually input the end close file. And if that file has errors in formatting or just overall how it is opened by your system, that can just return an error. So, very bad practice. I refactored much of the code in the Unpythonic Analyzer into smaller, more module ones, such as the read file count, word frequencies, find long words, and print analysis results, just to break it down to smaller functions, make it more maintainable, easier to understand, and testable, now that each function has its own singular responsibility. I also improved the counting of long words from the word element in list for making a list comprehension, just to simplify the logic a little bit and make it more of the Python Zen. Simplified, reducing the need for an explicit loop and improved the readability. Then I also just improved the output formatting into these F strings to verify string for character and really just clean it on up a bit. And now, towards the end of it, the file handles errors much better, possibly such as missing files, and the word length check is now parameterized and far more flexible. So this was a pretty fun assignment to actually crack down and do, and got a lot of good practice in on it. But kind of want to try and run it with like a full book and see what comes up. Yeah, anyway, thank you.